Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Payoneer Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Plus 500. Plus 500 is a well-established global trading broker founded in 2008, offering CFD and future trading to millions of traders worldwide. Listed on the London Stock Exchange and regulated in multiple jurisdictions, Plus 500 delivers a secure and transparent trading environment. The platform provides access to a wide range of markets, all within a clean, user-friendly interface. Traders benefit from zero commissions, competitive spreads, an unlimited free demo account, and 24/7 customer support. The broker offers access to a variety of CFDs across a wide range of asset classes, giving traders access to more than 70 Forex pairs, global indices, commodities, shares, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and options. Whether it's major currency pairs, popular stock markets, energy products, or emerging digital assets, the broker's diverse selection allows traders to explore multiple markets from a single user-friendly platform, all with competitive spreads and flexible leverage. Plus 500 offers a simple yet powerful proprietary trading platform accessible via WebTrader, desktop and mobile applications for iOS and Android. The platform delivers fast trade execution, real-time charts, over 100 technical indicators, customizable watch lists, and price alerts, all in an intuitive, easy-to-navigate design. With full functionality across devices and built-in risk management tools, their platform makes it easy for traders to access global markets anytime, anywhere. Plus 500 offers a range of account options to match different trading needs. Their demo account allows users to practice with virtual funds in a risk-free environment, while their standard retail account gives access to all instruments with competitive spreads, no commissions, and built-in risk management tools. Experienced traders who meet certain criteria can apply for a professional account, which offers higher leverage. Plus 500 also provides a swap-free Islamic account for traders requiring Sharia-compliant conditions. Their Trading Academy offers a comprehensive suite of free educational materials designed to support traders at all levels. Their platform features a variety of resources, including beginner-friendly guides, how-to video tutorials, informative articles, and a Plus 500 ebook. Additionally, the Academy provides FAQs and a regular updated news section to help traders stay informed about key global business and economic developments. Their comprehensive suite of news and market insights through their News and Market section offers daily updates on global financial events, economic indicators, and market trends, keeping traders informed about the factors influencing the markets. Additionally, their proprietary Plus Insights tool analyzes aggregated client sentiment data, revealing the percentage of traders holding long or short positions on various instruments. This feature helps users gauge market psychology and identify potential reversal points. Traders can access these insights directly within the trading platform, enhancing their decision-making process. At number 4 on our list is IC Markets. IC Markets stands as a renowned financial institution committed to providing cutting-edge trading solutions for a diverse clientele. With a solid foundation in the financial markets, IC Markets has established itself as a leading broker, offering a wide array of trading instruments and services. Their global presence ensures accessibility for traders worldwide, while their commitment to innovation and transparency sets them apart in the dynamic world of online trading. IC Markets offers a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments, catering to the varied needs of traders in the global financial markets. Traders can access a wide spectrum of assets, including Forex currency pairs, commodity CFDs, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. The broker ensures that their trading instruments incorporate the latest financial products, and the platform's versatility allows traders to explore and capitalize on various market movements, making IC markets a preferred choice for those seeking a robust and dynamic trading experience across multiple asset classes. IC Markets provides trading platforms which are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. And these platforms are namely the IC Markets proprietary trading platform, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader, with social trading functionality and a diverse range of tools. Their trading platforms are designed to cater to the diverse trading preferences and styles of their clientele, solidifying their position as a leading provider in the online trading industry. As a globally recognized broker, IC Markets offers a versatile array of trading account types to cater to the distinctive preferences of traders around the world. These include the raw spread, standard, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. With these diverse account options, IC Markets ensures that traders have the flexibility to choose an account that aligns with their individual trading preferences and strategies. Whether prioritizing tight spreads, commission-free trading, or the innovative capabilities of CTrader, IC Markets aims to empower traders with tailored solutions for a dynamic trading journey. The broker also recognizes the importance of education in empowering traders to make better informed decisions. And the platform offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources to enhance the trading knowledge and skills of its users. Traders can access a variety of educational material, including video tutorials, articles, webinars, and market analysis, all aimed at enhancing their understanding of the financial markets. Overall, IC Markets stands as a preeminent global broker committed to providing a cutting-edge and inclusive trading experience. With a robust range of trading instruments, versatile platforms, and diverse account types, IC Markets caters to the unique preferences and needs of traders worldwide. They continue to set industry standards, offering a gateway to the world of online trading with sophistication and reliability. Coming in at number 3, we have Exness. Exness is a leading online Forex broker that has earned a reputable position in the financial industry. With a commitment to providing transparent and reliable trading services, Exness has become a preferred choice for traders worldwide. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and a wide range of financial instruments to cater to the diverse needs of both novice and experienced traders. The broker offers a variety of market instruments to trade, to cater to different needs and preferences. These include Forex currency pairs, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Exness ensures that its trading instruments are diverse, enabling clients to access various markets with flexibility and precision. Whether one is an experienced trader or a newcomer to the financial world, Exness strives to provide a comprehensive and dynamic selection of trading options. Featured platforms are available on the Exness Trader application, MetaTrader 5, and the Exness terminal. These platforms empower users with sophisticated charting tools, technical analysis, and automated trading capabilities, enhancing the overall trading experience. Their accounts are available on standard, professional, and social trading accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Exness ensures that each account type is accompanied by a range of features, allowing traders to tailor their trading experience according to their individual preferences. Whether for beginners or seasoned professionals, Exness's diverse account offerings aim to provide a customized and optimal trading environment for all. Exness is committed to empowering its traders with knowledge and skills through a comprehensive suite of educational resources. The platform offers a range of material designed to cater to traders of all experience levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Educational content includes informative articles, tutorials, and webinars, covering a variety of topics such as market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and more. Traders can visit the Exness educational website for more information. Overall, Exness stands as a leading online forex broker, committed to providing a transparent, user-friendly, and technologically advanced trading environment. With a diverse range of instruments, multiple types of accounts, and cutting-edge trading platforms, Exness caters to the needs of traders worldwide. The platform's dedication to education ensures that users, regardless of experience level, have access to valuable resources to enhance their trading skills. Through a commitment to innovation and client-centric services, Exness continues to be a trusted partner for those navigating the dynamic landscape of forex trading. At number 2 on our list is Avatrade. Avatrade is a well-established online forex and CFD broker that has gained recognition as a leading platform for trading a diverse range of financial instruments. With its focus on providing a comprehensive trading experience, Avatrade has become a preferred choice for traders looking for a reliable and user-friendly brokerage solution. Traders have access to various trading accounts tailored to meet the needs of different levels of expertise, from novice traders to experienced professionals. These accounts provide opportunities to trade major and minor currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, and other popular assets. Avatrade facilitates both spot trading and derivative trading, allowing traders to capitalize on market fluctuations and implement diverse trading strategies. Avatrade offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Payoneer Forex brokers, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is a leading online trading provider, offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FP Markets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FP Markets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FP Markets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, TradingView, and the FP Markets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FP Markets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FP Markets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FP Markets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. And those are some of the top 5 best Payoneer Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.